Guys, what's up? All right, we're going to program it so when you click on the dog, it'll say good job. If you click on the cow, it'll say bad job. Okay? So in event listeners, you click add event listeners. It's a mouse. When you click on something, if you need to have a thing is equal to a thing, because here we're comparing two objects, what you click on versus if it's the dog. So if Dalmatian is equal to Dalmatian, that's the first setup. Right now, no matter what you click on, it would always evaluate to true, because dog is always equal to a dog. This is the important next step. You drag on the mouse at the location. If the mouse on the location equals the dog, that's the important part. So if so, the dog will say woof. Otherwise, the cow will say, sorry, you lose. So when we hit run right now, the dog will say woof, the cow will say, sorry, you lose. If we click on the grass, nothing else works. Okay, but you get the idea so far. Now, here comes the problem where round one, let's say in round one, the dog should be the correct answer. In round two, the cow should be the correct answer. A lot of people are adding a second listener. And when they do this, they have a similar code from above. And they say cow this time, and the cow will say you win versus the dog will say you lose. The problem with doing it this way is both of these happen at the exact same time. So when you hit run, the dog will say woof and you lose. That's not what we wanted. So I only recommend ever having one event listener for when the mouse is clicked on. Okay? Now, the thing is, you can't have, it's the same thing. Like if you click on the cow, you can't say the cow says you win versus the dog says you lose, because it's going to be these if statements happen, like this happens, and then immediately after this happens. So if I clicked on the dog, it'll say you lose, and then woof. Once again, not what we had intended. So my big hint for this project is maybe you can have an additional variable that might keep track of what question you're on. And you can utilize ands and or statements. So if you click on the cow and something else is true, then you win. If you click on the Dalmatian and something else is true, you win. That's all for now. Make sure not to subscribe.